or you can go to like, this is like a previous one that we built. This is like a share viewer we built, but this is like an object that was textured using our product. So you basically this is another one that's textured. And so this is an example. It's like a treasure chest box. And so you can type your prompt over here in your negative prompt and choose whether or not you want materials, you want to preserve UVs, and you just press generate. And then it runs in 5 minutes, and you get back a fully textured image. And so there's a bunch of examples that we can show you. So here's one that we just ran with, this is like, a box made out of like sapphire, for example. And so you can basically generate infinite number of textures for all of your meshes just by specifying text box.
All right. How can people find you?
You can go to polyhive.ai and you can immediately start using it today. We're launched and you can just start using the product.
Awesome.
Cool. Thank you.
Whatever. And our mission today is to get people to play the game, collect 5 coins, because you can place coins when you build a level, and then use those coins to buy avatar stuff. And we just recently built a thing where you can generate a skin for your avatar, so you can put any kind of text in, and then your alien guy will get that texture.
I love that background.
This?
That glowy thing? Yeah.
Yeah, my brother did it. He's like a graphics guy. It's like side distance fields or something. I don't know.
What is this?
These are Skyboxes. So we find
Yeah, I do too. I love this stuff.
So I also did AI to train my hand gestures and stuff, so you can move around and zoom and pan in on some of this. This is Stable Diffusion, actually making these environments on demand. So about 13 seconds. Are you familiar with Skyboxes?
Yeah, I retweeted you guys.
Excellent. We appreciate it. But yeah, we're here and we made a
Oh,
quick
you're
move.
Scotty.
I'm Scotty Fox.
I'm Robert Scoble.
Oh, hey, what's going on? Finally in person. All right, this makes sense. All right. So yeah, thanks for following. Kind of on our ride over here, in about an hour, I coded this whole system. And
You coded this whole thing in an hour?
Yep. And it kind of goes to show that anybody else with our API or what they're able to do is start building their assets and games within an hour. What would used to take weeks.
Hey, so I'm Tyler, and this is Freaky Photo Booth. This is actually an app we made 5 years ago, my partner and I. And it used to just use camera filters, shaders, all sorts of cool stuff like that. But now with the onset of Stable Diffusion, we've sort of redone it where it now uses Stable to process your image and create all sorts of cool, interesting results. That's a good output for you. Yeah, really nice. It's really just sort of a passion project. I'm also making a whole bunch of games using Stable, OpenAI tools, all sorts of things like that. And I'm a professor at University of Texas where I teach a class on creativity with AI and ethics and all the related topics. So that's me.
AI tools where every part of the stack now is an AI model.
And SceneMaker allows you to generate 3D renderings from very basic 3D models. So let's say I upload a 3D model of an interior, like a very basic blocky interior. I can enter the description of what I would like this to look like, and I just click render, and it will, you can see it will generate images in different styles based on what I asked it to do, and based on the exact camera angle that I selected. A second, there we go. So these are.
We're MovieBot, and we make instant AI-generated animation. The UI is quite simple. It allows you to transform your text into a 3D animated file with talking characters very quickly in under a minute. So you can enter a prompt, and I'll just say, having way too much fun at GDC. So then I'm going to generate, and it will create a story and select characters in a world and have them talk about the prompts.
This is amazing.
I think I forgot what real life is like. Dude, I'm pretty sure GDC IS real.
This is pretty.
Other one one they were trying on Steam is like really dark and grim and gritty, and it has
navigated forward. Every step, every change you make, the system knows, and it's going to move forward. Again, you can start getting concept art that matches the setting and lore. So, in this location is in a medieval town, and so here you go. You start getting concept art that shows a medieval town and the art style you specify. So that can be something you can hand off to your concept artist and be like, hey, iterate on this, start generating some concept art around this idea. This was a forest, right? So and that's, once you have a world, you can go in and you can start generating locations. And these will